Okay, here we are back at the home page again, and as you can see I'm logged in, and today we are going to talk about updating the Minong Center page. So we'll go in here, click on Minong Center, and now that we are on this page and we're logged in, we can just simply click Edit Page. And this is true with any page. So let's say you're on Parks and you want to change some of this information right here. You can just click Edit Page, scroll down to where you want it to say, maybe there's not 45 sites, maybe there's 48 sites. So that's all you have to do, and you can save it by updating it that way. I'm just going to go ahead and back to the page and get out of there. We'll go back to the Minong Center. Now that we're here, we can edit this page the same way. This page has a few more options for the images that are in this one, so that we can swap out images if we need to make new categories. So now that we're in here and we want to change the dates, it's just a matter of typing away and it'll automatically keep the format. So we delete it and put the 4th, update it, and that would be changed. So I just undid that to keep it where it was. I think these are the correct dates and times. Let's say we wanted to change one of these images. Instead of saying there's a flea market coming up, we wanted to say there was something else coming up. So we just highlight that by clicking on it and come up here to Add Media. And now we just find the image. This is the one I created for the flea market, but let's say we have art classes coming up. And we can create a graphic by following Video9 and using the template for the Minong Center page. So we'll insert that, and now we have art classes there instead. I'm going to revert it back though, since we don't need to have that. Add media, put it back to flea market. This is important here because it's asking us to link, and we don't want it to link to anything, so we'll just click on none right there. Use the full size, alignment is center. These are presets, so shouldn't have to change anything other than the link to. And we're back to our new image there. So the same thing goes for updating any of these. Obviously July 21st will come and pass, and we'll have to have new class times and new classes. So to keep this formatting, you just highlight that like this, Control C, okay, and then I just click to get off of it. I hit enter one time to get below there, and then I'm going to put a line. So I go up here, and this is a horizontal line tool, so that creates this little line so we can put a new thing. And then I Control V. That gives us the text. You see how these are a little bit bigger and these are bold. So it's important to keep it that way, and the easiest way, because this is a pretty finicky little program here, is to just highlight this and type in whatever you want. It's important that you don't copy and paste it from a Word document. You have to actually type it in here. So this is the new class, and this class is free. We can type whatever you want here, and it automatically keeps the same format. So if we highlight July and make it August, it keeps it bold. So it's important that we just retype it inside whatever we want and paste it. And if we wanted to delete something the same way, we just highlight it. We'll do this one since we don't want that. Delete it. We can delete that just by clicking backspace, and here we are. So I don't really want to save any of the changes because the Minong Center is okay the way it is. I will just view page. Instead of clicking update, I just went back to the page and everything's the same as it was. And that is how you update the Minong Center page. And basically that's how you update all the other pages too. It's just that on things to do and parks and lakes, I figured those are pretty static pages, so there won't be a lot of updating, not like the Minong Center. That's why I created templates for images so that you can easily recreate new titles for whatever you want to have in there. Alright, and that is how you make the Minong Center events page work.